Hi, this is Sudhir. This is C Sharp.NET Introduction Tutorial. So C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language, which means it supports OOPS concepts and it provides more security and also reusable code. It is used as a code behind language in .NET applications like Windows, web, and phone applications. So that means if you want to write some functionality, you can use C Sharp.NET to write the functionality inside it. C Sharp.NET is the most popular language in .NET because in the world most of the programmers are using C, C++, and Java as programming language. They can directly write C Sharp code because it is having a similar syntax. C Sharp is pronounced as C Sharp.NET and it is written like C# beside it. This symbol is taken from musical note, so it is pronounced as sharp, so we call C Sharp.NET. C Sharp is a case sensitive language. That means the lowercase letters and uppercase letters in the programming is not same. For example, int I semicolon and int capital I semicolon. They are treated as different variables in C Sharp. So when you are writing any code, you have to make sure that small letters and capital letters are not same. Every block of code starts with opening curly braces and end with closing curly braces in C Sharp. That means all the code is packed inside the open and closing curly braces in C Sharp. And a lot of keywords are available in C Sharp which are used for adding different functionalities. They are predefined keywords. All these keywords will be in lowercase in C Sharp. For example, int, which is a data type, and other data types we have string, char. Using class are different keywords. All these keywords will be in lowercase in C Sharp. And if you are using all predefined namespaces, classes and methods, they will start with the uppercase letter. For example, we have a word like system or console or read. The first letter in that is going to be in uppercase letter and rest all will be in lowercase. Namespace is a collection of classes and class is a collection of methods and its members. In C Sharp we have a hierarchy like all the code will be written in methods, all the methods will be placed in the classes, and all the classes will be placed in the namespace. That means hierarchy is namespace, inside that classes, inside that methods, inside that code. So this is the hierarchy we have to follow. As C Sharp is a case sensitive language and it is having a specific syntaxes, we have to follow some rules and regulations to write a C Sharp code. They are listed here. The first one is every C Sharp statement should end with a semicolon. Whenever you write a C Sharp code, you have to end it with a semicolon. That means semicolon at the end of every statement. Otherwise, it's going to throw a compilation error. Every string value should be surrounded by double quotes. For example, if you have written string s equal to hi, which is a text, this text value of a string has to be in the double quotes. And we have another example, char c equal to single quotes a. That means whenever you are defining a character of char type, you have to surround that with a single quote. And there is no need of adding any quotes around numeric values. If you are creating a variables of int or float or any other numeric types, there is no need to add single quotes around it. That means for strings, it should be double quotes around it. For character, it's a single quote around it. And for numeric values, no need of any quotes. Every line of code in C Sharp should be inside a class. This is one of the rules you have to follow. Whenever you are writing a code, make sure that it is inside a C Sharp class. Otherwise, it will throw a compilation error. And finally, comments. Comments are used by the developers to explain something about the code, and it is ignored by the compiler when it is executing. So in C Sharp, comments is written in the form of double slashes. Write some double slash at the starting of any statement. It's going to be commented. Thank you.